Hi again, guys. We're here in Howth Summit. Yeah, we will take a look at the place over here. This place is famous for walking around. As you can see over here, it's near the cliffs. So that's the map of the Howth, and these are the walkways over here where most people walk around during a nice day. And if we follow the trail, that will lead down to Howth. It will probably take around 30 minutes or maybe more. It depends on how fast we walk. Yeah, as you can see over here, it's a cliffside, but nowadays it's more improved because they already put a walkway towards that lighthouse over there. It's a nice view over in the lighthouse, and it will be overlooking Dublin Bay. And before, the trail was just like this. It's just like a normal walkway trails, but as time goes by, they actually put some cemented walkways, which is a little bit better because it's quite slippery down here. If you don't have a good grips on your shoes, you might end up down in the cliff. Over there is the lighthouse. It would be a little bit long walk, but maybe some other times we can go over there. As you can see, there was a cross over here, so I think because this is a cliff area here and it's very slippery, maybe they died. Maybe they fell off from the cliff. So this is not a good walking place for, you know, older people or children, because see, as you see, it goes down to the cliff. Over in the front of us, that's Dublin Bay, and this is mostly the shipping route between Ireland and England. Right over there on the horizon is England, or the United Kingdom. Okay, today we'll be doing a limited walk because it's a bit windy and it's quite dangerous at the edge of the cliff. But this is a very scenic walking route, and it goes back to a place called Howth, town in Howth, which is just right over there. So if you continue walking all the way through there, you'll end up in the town Howth. And then next time maybe we will check that lighthouse over there, but I'm pretty sure it is always off limits. We can all probably go up to the gate and just check around the gate. Okay, we go back at the top. We'll go to the other side. I will show you the view on the other side, which is facing Dublin city center. Oh, it's a long walk. Yeah, that trail there, that's the one that goes to Howth. It's probably around 30 minutes to 45 minutes walk, but it's a good scenic walk for sure. Over here before, this sign was not here. There was no sign before. So now, since this place is very famous now, we need to put a sign. Okay, as you can see over there, it's the cliff path loop, and it also points to the direction of Howth. So you could actually walk from here all the way to Howth, and either you could take the ferry or the train. Okay, we walk towards the other side just to check the other view, which is actually facing Dublin city center. Okay, over here, just right over there is Dublin city center. So this is the view from the top of Howth summit. So there's quite a number of cars over here just trying to enjoy the view, chilling out, relax. And from Howth summit, I'm gonna say goodbye this time from Howth summit. I'll see you again on my next video. So don't forget to follow and just check out my channel, and we will travel all together and discover new things.